Hi everyone, my name is Anita Muthukumaran. I am a PhD student in UNCO Greeley. This is just a short audio presentation on how to upload SAS files and run SAS code using the SAS Studio in our computer. So this is the login screen. This is how a login screen looks in SAS, and then we have a unco.edu SAS login that your instructor must have given it to you. And then after you log in with your UNCO EDU credential, you will get this screen that says initializing. Then once you log in, this is the SAS Studio home screen that you will see. You can forget about this right side. That is just open code for me, but you don't have to think about it right now. So this is how this side you will see on the left side you will see all the files that have been organized, and on the right side you will see the code, the results, and all of that. The first step is to create a new folder. I'd like to organize my SAS files into specific folders so I know what I'm running. So I create a new folder. So if I get an assignment, I create in the name of that assignment, and you will have the SAS code given to you as for that assignment. So I will, what you need to do is to create a new folder. That's a step one. You right click on Files Home on the left side, and as soon as you right click, a pop-up thing comes, and then you are going to select New, and then you're going to select Folder, kind of like your Explorer, the same way. So Files Home, New, and then you create a folder. As soon as you click that folder, you're going to get the new folder, and I just named it as Assignment Test, and then click Save. And then you will see those in the left side. You will see that Assignment Test. So say in an assignment there are 3 questions, and one question has, and all 3 questions has different SAS files. So under assignment 4 or 5, you can right click again and create a new folder, and then you can do the same thing, new folder, and then create question 1, question 2, question 3. So it's just organizing makes it easier to find that SAS file. So we created assignment test. Now we are going to upload files under assignment test. So right click under assignment test, select assignment test, and then right click, and then you will see upload files. Click on upload files. So this is the most important step, is to copy this path, upload files to. Just copy this path. Maybe you can note it down, or you can just copy it and paste it in a Word document so you have this path, because we need to change the code with this path. And then once you copy it, you select Choose Files. That's a button underneath. As soon as you choose files, your Computer Explorer or Explorer menu pops up, and so wherever you've stored your files that you've got from Canvas, you will go there. And so the 2 types of files, the dot, which has an extension called .SAS, which is the code file, and .csv, which is like an Excel sheet, which has the data. And some SAS code doesn't have the CSV file that goes with it, because the SAS file, it's such a small table that they just write it within the SAS code itself. And some SAS files will just read from a CSV file. So in this case, I'm choosing an example where it gets data from a Excel sheet, from a CSV file. So you need 2 types of files, .SAS and .csv. So this one I'm choosing FHS SAS and FHS CSV. And then you click Open. As soon as you open, you will see the 2 files. It's called FHS.csv and FHS analysis.SAS. So the .SAS is the code file. And then as soon as you choose, these 2 come here, the selected files. Now you say Upload. And after you upload, you will see it under the assignment test that we created. So the 2 files are there. So now you want to go to the code by double clicking the SAS file. As soon as you double click, you will see the code on the right hand side. And this is where we need to change the path of the file from where this code is reading the data from. And that code is in the beginning called import data. So you need to change the path. So import data, you go there and you paste it just like this. Remember the path that we copied earlier? Use that path and just copy it other than the file name. So don't change anything, any single quotes or anything. Just whatever file path that was there before, just change it to the FHS dot, change it to the one that you just copied, like this. And then you run the code by clicking the a picture of somebody that looks like running over here on the top of the code page. You will see that. Just click on that run. And as soon as you do that, this screen comes which says running the code. And then the results gets shown on the right side. But if there is an error, you will see in the log. And if it is anything related to the file path, you know the file path, you have to just paste it right. I hope this helps you in uploading SAS files and running the SAS code. Thank you so much. Have a good